Hello, I'm Yaprak Yıldırım. I'm a fourth-year student at Istanbul University. I will introduce the Technology Market e-commerce site. Technology Market is an e-commerce site where you can buy all technology products. I wanted to develop an e-commerce site because we need internet shopping during the pandemic process. First of all, I will explain the technology I use and the code side. I use the .NET framework in C# programming language. I develop in multi-layer structurized presentation layer and entity layer. Here I created all assets, namely tables with migration, card product category. We provide access by referencing the data access layer. It was created automatically in the database, in the tables in the database. A relational database diagram contains table properties and connections. And business layer, I use the repository design pattern for categories and products in the business layer. It contains the view and control page e-commerce site in the presentation layer. It contains the view and control page of e-commerce site in the presentation layer. Each control here creates as a view folder. View contains the design codes of the page, while the controller contains the backend codes for the functionality of the design page. Let's continue with the design part. The user interface is like this. There is a popular product list and categories. The user interface is like this. There is a popular product list, about page, short information, and there is a form contact page, sends an email for the admin. Let's look at the user and admin login and logout process. Let's log in a user. YouTuber is a member. It keeps the session name when logging it, and as you can see, there is no link for the admin panel. Let's is an admin, and you will understand. Yaprak is the admin. I give a link to login to admin panel. When the admin login is made, there is a note such as in user login. In the admin panel, in the category section, we can add, delete, and update a new category. Let's add a new category, and we edit. Let's update. We update. And we update it. And let's delete it. In products part, likewise, we can delete and update a new product in the product section. Here I have listed the products by numbers using page list. Let's add a new product and test the database, fill in the product information. While listing the popular list, just a moment. While listing the popular products on the site, we select the product here for the popular list. And our product has been added. Let's look at the database. Okay, and it has also been added to the database. Now let's delete it and test it. Refresh and test it. You can see. And the other part, critical stocks. It gives a red warning when the stock of products drops below 15 on the critical stock page. This way you will know. And the sales page contains information previously purchased products. on users page contains all member information. We can delete members if we want. And on the statistic page, it shows the total sales and the total number of products, the number of users and the number of users with products in their chart, and the total number of users. And there is a 5 users in the total. Let's delete it and user and reduce it 4. You can see. Finally, on the comments page, we'll list the comments made by users, and we can delete them if we want. Let's come back to the design site. Let's log out and register a new member. Let's fill in the information with the name Kadir Coach, for example, and check the text. If it is not filled, it will give a warning. As you see. Now let's log in with a new member. The user can list the desired product according to its categories. You can see. By clicking a product details button, we can access information about the product, and we can add a comment on the product if we want. In this way, your comment will be listed with the username, time, and the information. And this is time, name. Add to the chart. Let's add to the product to the chart. After adding it to the chart, if you want, we can increase and decrease the number of products as we increase the total amount below. Show the totals. Let's add another product. It likes all products. We can delete them one by one if we want. We can delete them all if we want. Let's buy products. Get your information before you buy it. Increase and decrease, and let's come on, buy all. After confirming, it gives a message that you have purchased successfully. First of all, product gets your confirmation before buy it. Sorry. This is confirmation. And buy it. And successfully. And you can see sales. And let's buy multiple products now. Let's go. It's the first one. And the second. And buy all. Let's buy all, list all your products for you. Check in the confirmation section. In the select section in the upper right corner, it lists the products you have to purchase purchase before. When you click on your name, it brings the information you entered while registering. You can update it if you want. Log out, and let's view all these processes in the admin panel. Let me list the cells. Let me list the cells. The name of our member, Kadir, has been updated on John. The products he bought are also listed. John, as you see, our member of user has increased from 4 to 5 and listed in the comments, as you see, Kadir Can Coach. In addition, CAO URL has been added for all product names to be listed when search on Google. And let me show you. For example, and this is the link, CEO links. Let's show it in the code site. If it is provide to convert to Turkish letters and to English characters. I will show you now. This is CAO. It will be a project that I will continue to develop. Thank you for watching me. See you later.